I'd like to introduce you to two gadgets that will help you integrate your calendar and docs right into your mailbox. And those are the mail and calendar gadgets. So I have them here. Here is my calendar gadget. It shows me my upcoming meetings. I can also add a meeting right from the calendar gadget by selecting add, and then I can use the quick add to add an event and then edit the details. I can also decide which calendars I want to view. So if you've taken the Google Calendar course, you know that you can have access to multiple calendars. Here are some of the calendars I can access and that I can display on my calendar. Each calendar displays in a different color, so I know whose event I'm looking at. I can also use the options here to show a little mini calendar so I can see what day of the week corresponds with the day of the month. So that's the calendar gadget. So that puts my calendar right in Gmail instead of having to go and click calendar and open another tab to view my calendar. I have all that information showing up right here in Gmail, which is great if I'm trying to book an appointment with someone and I need to quickly look at my calendar. The other gadget is the Google Docs gadget. So this gadget shows you your most recently modified docs. I'll just let that load. So here's the Google Docs gadget, and it has a list of my most recently accessed docs. If I were to select one of these docs, it would open up in a new tab, and then from there I can edit it, view it, and share it. I can also search my Google Docs right from this gadget. So if I'm looking for a document called budget, looks like I've got two, and so I can open my budget document. I can also decide which documents I want to show. For example, I can show the ones that were most recently owned by me, opened by me, or starred. So if you star your documents to show importance. Also, from the new menu here, you can create a new document, drawing, form, presentation, spreadsheet, or get to the template gallery. So this is great. You don't even have to open up the Google Docs list. You've got your docs list right here. If I'm ready to create a new document, I'll just select new document, and this will open in my new document. So this gadget is really helpful to have here. Also, I can quickly get to my doc list by clicking all docs, and that will display my doc list. So how did I get these gadgets, this calendar gadget, this docs gadget? Well, what I did is I enabled the labs called calendar gadget and docs gadget. I'll go into my labs area, and the calendar gadget is called Google Calendar gadget, so you want to enable this one. And the Google Docs gadget. So make sure those are enabled and then save your changes. Now you can't change the placement of where these are. The calendar gadget is always going to be below the labels, and the docs gadget will always be below that one. Hopefully soon you'll be able to change the positions of these different gadgets.